Nestled and highly sought after Greatwood Lake Crest sits this beautiful one-story home at 1906 Shadow Lake Drive. This popular floor plan is nearly 2,500 square feet and features 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, a study, and an oversized 2-car garage. Just off the entry is the dining room, which features tile floors, plantation shutters, tall ceilings with a decorative chandelier, and crown molding. Entering into the open family room, which is the heart of the home, you'll find beautiful hardwood floors, a gas log fireplace with tile surround, decorative mantel, and built-in cabinets. Off of the family room is a study with French doors, hardwood floors, tall ceilings with a ceiling fan, crown molding, and custom built-in bookshelves. The cook's kitchen is a delight with granite counters, a spacious island with an eat-up breakfast bar, stainless steel appliances including double ovens, and a built-in refrigerator which stays with the home. The breakfast area offers tons of natural light coming in through the wall of windows which overlooks the patio and the backyard. The spacious owner's suite has it all with tall ceilings, ceiling fan with light, recent carpet, crown molding, room for a sitting area, and a door leading to the back patio. The owner's bath features a whirlpool tub, large shower with a seat, and a new frameless shower door. It also has dual sinks, a vanity, new light fixtures, new plumbing fixtures, as well as a large closet with 3 rows for hanging clothes. On the other side of the home are the 2 guest bedrooms, which both have recent carpet, high ceilings with ceiling fans and lights, plantation shutters, and they share a full bath with a brand new shower door and new plumbing and light fixtures. Next to the guest bedrooms is a private courtyard with a patio door and is the perfect place to read on a quiet afternoon. The utility room has built-in cabinets for storage, a built-in desk, and the washer and dryer stay with the home. The garage is spacious with extended storage areas, new epoxy flooring, and built-in overhead storage. Enjoy a cup of coffee on the back covered patio featuring new tiled flooring, recessed lights, and a ceiling fan with lights. With convenient and quick access to major freeways, shopping, and local restaurants, 1906 Shadow Lake Drive in Greatwood Lake Crest is the perfect place to call home.